Hi guys, can you hear me? Good. Hope you are getting my. Can you? Yes, thank you. Okay, so what's our last class? Yesterday we have seen a couple of things for some example programs. Any doubts from yesterday's class? Okay, so let me share my screen. One second. Just a minute, guys. So syntax for variables. How to declare variables without value, how to define and how to declare. Okay, so as of now we are done defining and declaring variable, right? Okay. Mm, yes. Yeah, I stopped screen. Now I'll share again. I'm sharing. Yes. Okay, now. Okay, hope you're getting my screen right. Okay, we'll jump to the program. So your batch is 7th October, right? I'll create one new class, variable 8. Okay, I will take main method. Good, it's created. Int b equal to 10. So this is your global variable, right? I'll go and I'll create a static variable, static int c equal to 5. So this is static variable, right? Right. Sorry, guys. It is a global one, right? I should create here, right? So out of method, it should be outside method, right? Now it's clear. No one observed. Great. So we are calling variable. I'll create here int a equal to 6. So this is local variable, right? Right. Now sits out a. We are calling variable here, right? So the output will be 6 here, right? Right, guys? Okay. Okay. Good. Good. Now I'll create one method here, public static void d. Okay, so this is your static method, right or wrong? Okay, now int e equal to 15. So this one also local variable. Now sys out e. What should be the output here? 15. Okay, but here this is your user defined method. If you want to execute, then it should be into this main method, right? Then only it will execute, right? Now I'll go and I'll create one non-static method like public void, something like this, f. Here int z equal to 5. So this one will be local variable. Okay. Okay. Now sys out g. Okay. Okay. So what should be the output? It's 5. Right. Right, guys? Okay. Okay. So now I'll come to this main method. Inside this main method, I'll call the static one. Static member calling. Okay. A static member calling, if you are talking about, so this main method is a static. Inside this method, if I wish to call this c, this c1 is a static variable, right? Okay, so which is in the under class. Okay, so if you wish to call this here, then the static method, the static variable c comes under a, right? And this main method. Okay, so this is a main method. If one of the both static member, if you wish to call existing inside the same class, now you don't need to worry about it. I'll show you here. Directly you can go and call it. See, so see, directly you can go and call it. That's it. Okay. What should be the output here? 5, right? It should be 5. Okay. Direct calling, straight 5, right? Now, this is your main method. Now, inside main method, already we have called C. Now, D method is a static, also D also static method, right? No. And call this D method. If you will go here into E equal to 15, okay, into E equal to 15, sys out, E directly will print here, okay, okay. What is the D method here? Int E equal to 15, sys out E, okay. Now, so 15 is getting printed here, right, guys? Observe, please observe, try to understand, okay. So just nothing here, direct we are calling, okay. So we created one static method here, okay. If we wish to call this static method, it should be in main method. Already we know that method will help to execute the program. Always program will start execute from main method, okay. So inside method we are calling directly that method. See, already we have called, okay, static int C equal to 5, okay, system.out.println C equal to, what should be output here? 5. It is printed here, okay. Now coming to D, directly you can give like this directly, okay. So D is getting printed here. D value, what is D value here? This is the D method, okay. So D method, under D method, what is a class here, int E equal to 15, okay. That system.out.println E equal to output will be 15. So we are calling this D method. So that's the reason it is giving 15 directly, right? Right? Now sys out variable 8 dot C. What should be the output here? 15. Okay, reference name we can give like this, variable name, okay. Variable 8 dot D, okay. It should be 15. If you are calling directly also with the class name, also with the class name, you're calling with the also class name, right? Can you see here? Okay, you're calling static member, calling directly direct the class. So this is all about static one. But if you're talking about a non-static, this is a non-static. This is a non-static. There is no static keyword here. We are not using. Okay. So public static void. This is a static method. Okay. But here this is a non-static one. Okay. Now coming to non-static. At that we need to create a one object. Okay. Object creation. Now we will see it, which is very important. Okay. Everything will be an object. That's the reason Java is a object oriented program, right? Can you hear me? I think Kavya is unable to join. I'm not sure. I can do not here. Now, object creation. I'll write here. Object creation statement. Now, class name, reference name, equal to new class name. Okay. 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 So capture this one. So how to create an object? Class name, reference name, and new class name. Okay. So earlier we have seen that syntax for this kind of, similarly this kind of syntax we have seen for creating the variables. Okay. What is that? Variable name. So this is a variable name, data type, variable name, value. Okay. That same way, just class name, reference name, and a new class name. New is a keyword. Okay. Now we'll come to here. Reference name, you can pass anything, whatever you want. Now, object of that particular class. Variable 8, okay, and V8, reference name. Just I am giving like this. And new keyword and class name. Variable 8. Right, guys? No. Okay. Variable 8 is a class name, right? What is the syntax here? A class name and reference name. You can give anything and use a keyword and a class name again. Same thing here I have given. Variable name 8 is a class name. V8 is giving a reference name as new variable 8. Okay. V8 is giving here some error because we are not used anywhere. The value of the local variable V8 is not used. So that's the reason it is giving error. No worry. Don't worry. We will use it. Sys out v8 dot b. Okay, so where is b? This one, right? What should be the output? 10. It should be 10 like this. Okay, let's write here v8 dot f. Okay, 5. It's 5, right? F method. It's a non-static one, right? So this is the non-static method, f method. So what's the value here? Into g is equal to what we are calling here? G equal to 5. It is 5. Okay, so it will print 5, right? Now let me execute. So right, so this is how non-static member calling. The help of object creation, we can call non-static method, the help of object creation. Right, right, guys? Please capture this one. So first take that program, then I will show you output. Yes. Yes, Anusha, tell me.
Can we call the static methods by using the, reference V8?
Yeah, that I will come to you. As of now, take this one. That I will come to you.
Sure, sure.
Okay. So please take it. Okay. Please capture this one. Okay, done. Output also I'll show you. Take it. Okay, so as a conclusion, I'll explain one more program. Variable 9. No, 9. Okay, okay. Int a. So is it a defining variable or declaring variable? It is declaring because we are not passing any value. Now a equal to 10. That means we are assigning the value, right? Value to a variable. Okay. Sys out a. What should be the output here? 10, right? Perfect. Right? Okay. In the same manner, char b equal to b, right? Char will always come with single code, right? Sys out b. 1 second. I'll give some other thing. H. What should be the output? H, right? Now I'll give string c equal to a. Sys out. What happened? Sys out c, right? It should be a. Okay. What should be the output? Like this, right? Okay. Okay. Now one more thing I'll give you. String str equal to hello Java. Sys out string dot length. Okay. What should be the output here? 10, right? Hello Java. Now sys out str. What should be the output? Hello Java. Okay. Okay. So capture this one. Okay, so capture this one, guys. Let me execute. Sorry. Okay, so output also here. Please take it. So variable 9 is also clear. Now I'll jump to okay. So object creation, you are good with that object creation. Just simple remember that syntax, class name, reference name, new keyword, and class name. That's it only. So object creation going forward, we will use a number of times. Okay, now memory allocation of all variables. Okay, now local variables it will get memory location when method is called and their creation statement is executed. Right? Okay. Now static variable get memory location when class is loaded into JVM. Okay. Now global variable get memory location when object is created using new keyword. Now the next line which is I tell you you will not understand easily, but just for info I will give you. It will get memory with respect to class, so this all also class. Sorry, what is here? Yes. Okay, now coming to, so local variables will get memory. Already I told, I think yesterday, I think or before yesterday, when memory location, when it will get allocate, when method is called and statement is executed. Okay, so inside RAM how it will works, that should be understand at least a minimum, at least little bit. We may not going for dev or maybe dev architecture. Just for your info, how the RAM is working with how the memory is allocating for the local variables and the static variables and the global variables. Okay, okay. No. Capture this one. Okay. Now, so everything means everything is comes under object in Java. Remember that point always. Object is a predefined class in Java. Is a predefined class in Java. It is also known as superclass in Java. Also known as superclass in Java. That's it. Okay. I will show you, for example, where is superclass. If we can go on create a class at that time, if we can observe here, okay, superclass here. Can you see here? Superclass object for Java superclass. Okay, it is also known as superclass. Each and everything will comes under which class? Object class. Object class. Whatever you are going to learn, the all concept will implement inside the class body only, right? You will implement all in class body only. That comes under object class. By default, everything will comes under object class, right? Right? Okay. Now I'll jump to the program instead of giving much theory. Okay, so just as of now, remember these words. So what is superclass? What is object? What is the object creation statement? How memory get locating? Okay, now it is also known as superclass in Java. If you talk about object, so like let me show you. So this is object. Okay, can conclude with like inside object class we can have two different class. One can be user defined entity or find entity, and this one can be predefined entity. Okay, so predefined entity and user defined entity in that. Okay. So earlier we have seen that 1 second, I'll come to here. Where is variable 4? We have seen some error, right? What is that? Out of bound. Okay, index out of bound. We have seen that array index out of bound exception, right? Okay. Okay, so here the array is in uppercase. Out of bound exception array is uppercase. This will be considered as a class. This class predefined class in Java. Predefined. If that particular class is predefined. One second. Excuse me. Okay. So if it is a parent class, remaining everything will comes under child class. Okay, child class. Okay, if it is in a considering a parent class. Okay, capture this one. With the help of a program, you will understand it clearly. I'll show you. I'll jump to the program. So here we have seen object. Here each and everything is comes under object. Here object array. Okay, integer, character, and string, a boolean, one conditional statement. Okay. So everything is a object. Understand? So this is all about your object. Object statement, creation statement, and the syntax. Okay. So done. Please take it. Default constructor also will there. Again, I will explain at the time of a constructor. So if we are talking about a function and a method, we can create user defined method and here variable 9 program. Variable 8 also you can see here. Static one and non-static one. Okay. So methods we have that user defined method and predefined methods. I'll come to here. Okay. Methods here, functions and methods. Okay. So we are good with the static one and concept of object also. We are good with that, right? Okay. So I'll come to here. Method one. Okay. What is happening here? There is some server issue with the app. IT team is working on. Still, there is some performance load issue. That we will check that testing types of performance testing also. We will explain you. That time you will understand what is the performance test. It's responding. Not responding. Okay. Method or function. So just both are same. Okay. It is a collection of statement. That's okay. That are grouped together to perform any operation. Okay. No. So you are passing the logic at the method to make it understandable. This method or functions is a collection of different statements that will be performed together in an operation. Like suppose if we are talking about system.out.println, so this method actually you can execute different types that operation which will be performed by implementing the logic anything in the console. Okay, that system.out.println will execute here. Okay, always we say method is a collection of statement. Okay, now if we are talking about the different set of rules. Okay, one second, just 1 minute guys, I'll be back. Okay, so all the methods has to return inside class body. Okay, so all the methods has to be written inside class body, and we cannot write function. You can call but you cannot write directly. Okay, inside method, inside method you can't create. Okay, inside method you can't create. Other function. Execution of program will always start from main method, that already we know. Okay, we can call same method as many times like. Okay, so we can call this g method multiple times. So inside method you cannot create again the method. Okay, so like here there is a in the 9.1 this is the public static void. Okay, so this is the d method, again we call here d method. Okay, you can call d method. Okay, I'll show you if we can call the number of times. So here I'll show you. Just you can call directly number of times. Okay, let me execute and show you that. Okay, so you received output, right? 15 15 it is getting printed. Okay, so you can execute, you can call number of times, but you can create method inside the method. Is it clear? We'll remove this. Got it? So this is called, we can call same method. Same, this is the same method we call number of times. Okay. Now one line which is important. Methods can return type, one second, return only, methods can return only one value at a time. That's it. Okay, capture this one. We are done with the methods. So we have a lot of functions. We will discuss it later. So this is all about your methods. Okay. So this is about your functions and methods. Okay. So we have a here static and non-static. Sorry, it is very important. I'll take some more time. Again, I'll take it. Functions method, we can make it as done. We are good with that. Okay. Complete. I'll take one session for string class is done, guys. String class is done. Static and non-static. Okay. So I'll take a complete session for a static and non-static one. If you can start now, it may not complete. Okay. Okay. So I'll take it a separate session for that. Okay. Guys, how to run the code? Every day we are running. Okay. Shall I make it is done? Eclipse tricks and tips, shortcuts. We are checking. Okay. Going for also, we'll learn a lot of things. So tomorrow we may not have the session as it is Friday, the weekend, guys. So if we have, I'll inform in group. You will get notification. Okay, and I'll show you one thing. Okay. I want to show you guys. Okay, after completion of this class, maybe 30 minutes or maybe 1 hour, you can take, of course, after 30 minutes also it will available. You can check after 1 hour that class video is available in an app. Okay, that I will show you screenshot where it is available. That same folder, if you can go to that content. Okay, I would like to show here, but I'll ignore. Okay, I'll close it. Where does it is? I'll stop sharing. Okay, I'll take screenshot and I'll show you guys. The class video also is available. If you want, you can go and check it. Okay. So class video is available. You will get access for that. After 1 hour, you can check it. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Have a nice sleep. That's all for today. We'll meet again next class. Good night. Bye.